So good morning all of you TYBSc physics student. We want to see here our third chapter, which is pre-electron and band theory of the metals. And in this lecture we want to see the point which is considered as the thermal conductivity. So what is meant by thermal conductivity? So that is the rate of flow of heat across the metal bar of cross sectional area A. Okay, so that rate of flow of heat means that the differentiating q with respect to that time t, so that is given by the relation will become, so that is dq divided by dt. Okay, so with rate of flow of heat across the metal bar of cross sectional area, that is A, which is given by minus Ka into dt divided by dx. Okay, so for example this is equation number first we have to consider here. So that relation will be obtained here, so that dq by dt is equal to minus Ka dt by dx. So where dt by dx, which nothing but the temperature gradient, so that consider as dt divided by dx, which is nothing but the temperature gradient, and the constant k, that k which is called as the constant, that is the thermal conductivity, that is k, this constant which is called as thermal conductivity constant. And we have to know that once this relation which is given as the root mean square velocity, that Vrms, which is given by 3 kbt divided by m whole power 1 by 2. So example, this is equation number star. Okay, so we have to see here, if the good electrical conductor which is considered as the good thermal conductor, and it is used to for highly mobile electrical charges, that classical electron gas transport charge as well as the heat energy. So that is the electrons which is transfer of charges as well as the heat energy. And with we consider that random collision process. So according to kinetic theory of gases, the one thermal conductivity relation which gives that k is equal to 1 by 3 cv vrms into l. So the according to kinetic theory of gases, according to kinetic theory of gases, which is given as the relation which will become that k is equal to 1/3 of cv into vrms into l. So this relation will be gives, which is the according to the kinetic theory of gases, and this cv, which is nothing but the specific heat at constant volume, and this L, which is nothing but the mean free path, which is nothing but the mean free path. So we have to consider here, so that assume that electrons behaves like a classical gas. Okay, that electrons behaves like a classical gas, so it obeys So it obeys Maxwell Boltzmann distribution or statistics. Okay, so that Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution, which is considered as the heat capacity per mole, which is given by heat capacity per mole is given by the relation. So that relation which is given as 3R by 2, or the relation will become, which is here, 3 NKB divided by 2. So 3R by 2 or 3 NKB by 2. So that is here that N which is given as the Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. Okay, so we have to see here, so that heat capacity per unit volume can be obtained by the dividing the term 3 NKBN by N, which is given by, so that relation will become here used. So that relation will use with the help of, so that relation will obtain the heat capacity per unit volume is given by the dividing the term that 3 NKB by 2. So this divided by N, that Avogadro's number. So if we that take place value, so that Cv is equal to 3 NKB by 2 into N by N. So this N and this N will get cancelled. So remaining formula which is given by Cv is equal to 3 KBN by 2. And if we see that formula which is given, that K is equal to 1 by 3 into Cv, that Cv formula is 3 by 2 Kb into N, Kb into small n, and this formula which gives Vrms into L. So this formula will obtain, so this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. So that remaining formula which is given by K is equal to 1 by 2 KBNL into Vrms. So this relation gives, and that number of this equation which is considered as the 15. So if we put the value of the Vrms, which is given by 3 kBt divided by m whole power 1 by 2, and this value if we put in this equation, so that obtain the relation, so that is consider, so let Vrms is equal to 3 kBt by m whole power 1 by 2, and this relation put in this equation, so that gives the value K is equal to 1 by 2 KBN into L. So that Vrms value which is given as 3 kBt divided by m whole power 1 by 2, whole power 1 by 2. So this is relation or that equation number which is considered as the 16. And now if we consider taking the ratio of the relation thermal conductivity, that thermal conductivity relation which is given as that sigma is equal to how much, so that N E square L divided by 3 kBTM whole power 1 by 2. 3 kBTM whole power 1 by 2. So this is suppose equation number 16, and this is consider equation number star. And if we take the ratio of these two equation, so taking ratio of equation 16 and star, so we get value which is here, so that K divided by sigma is equal to 1 by 2 kBn into L into 3 kBT by m whole power 1 by 2 divided by this sigma value which is considered as n e square L divided by 3 kBT m whole power 1 by 2. So this value which is denominator, if we go this side, so that is numerator value, so that equation will become here, so that 3 which is going to numerator for this, so we have to take on this value which is inside for this, so that is into 3 kBT m whole power 1 by 2. So this m get cancelled, this 3 that under root of 3 root 3 or root 3 which is given as 3, so that K by sigma this ratio will become, so that is considered as K divided by sigma which is given as, so that root 3 and root 3 will become 3, so that is 3 is here, so this denominator 2 this as it is. Next term which is given as this kb and this kb, so which is given as the kb and this remaining kb, so that is kb square. Again we have to see here term, so that t and t root 3 which is given as the t, this e square is there, so this as it is, this l is cancel, this l cancel, this n cancel, so the remaining factor which is considered as the denominator of e square, so that K by sigma value which is given is here, K by sigma is equal to 3 by 2 K b square t divided by e square, and this equation is called the Weidmann-Franz law. So this is equation number 70, and this equation is called Weidmann-Franz law. Okay, this equation is called Weidmann-Franz law, and that equation number 70 is that K by sigma, so that relation which is given as here, so that K by sigma which is directly proportional to the temperature, and the constant which is given by the K by sigma T, so this therefore K divided by sigma T which is given as the Lorentz constant, which is given by Lorentz constant, and according to the classical theory it has some value for any metal at any temperature, that ratio K by sigma T which is nearly constant from the metal to metal, and varying the temperature the value of 3k square divided by twice e square, which is does not agree precising with the major Lorentz number, So up to this lecture is complete. Now next lecture we want to continue the next point, which is considered as Sommerfeld free electron model, or which is considered as the quantum electron model, will be seen in the next lecture. So thanking of you.